Tatu, how are you? Mary Ellen here, and I'm still in my book nook, but today I'm going to talk to you about my meditation that I'm running. This time of the year when there's a lot of masculine energy, a lot of hubbub going on all the time. It's all a bit mad out there, isn't it? So, on a Wednesday, if you would like to just settle everything down a little bit, 8:45, maybe your kids are in bed or they're reading or something, or you just want a bit of chill time, tune in. The link is in the bio. So if you just need a little antidote to all the Christmas madness, the Christmas busyness with lists and a lot of masculine doing energy, if you just need to tune into yourself, I've got 2 more Wednesdays before Christmas. If you're a little bit stressed in the lead up to Christmas, and who isn't, and I'm holding my little mini bar on because my meditation is called Minotra. Mina is a Hibernia word and an Irish word that means women, and it is to root us down in our feminine energy.